Nice move in here today, up around $17. We're looking at Ulta here on the weekly chart. You can see basically we bounced right off that 494 so far on the week. We ended the day 516. We have right around a $10 expected move priced in by this Friday. So we'll see what happens in here. Anything above that 517, then we're going to be looking at nice whole numbers 520, 525 as we work our way up to that 100% fib retrace. Now, as far as our support, we mentioned the 494. Anything below that, you're looking at this 9-day EMA right here at the 489s, and you're looking down here at this 473. We're going to see how much of a big psychological level 500 will be for us in here as we continue throughout the week. But if this does hold, then look for an expansion as we work our way into earnings, because we got earnings coming up in about 2 weeks here. So your earnings cycle is going to be August 28th after market. So that's going to be that expiration of the 829. So right around a $37 expected move is what all the traders are pricing in there. So we're going to see what happens as we work our way up into there. So you have RSI in here. It's pretty high right now, not technically overbought. It's at 69, but basically it's right there, right? You're a point away from being technically overbought. So I wouldn't put too much into that right now, especially here on this weekly chart, because you do have an earnings catalyst coming up in a couple weeks. But we're just going to keep all that in mind as we're looking at this chart in here and seeing if that 500 is going to hold. If it does, then is the 517s going to hold? If we can breach them, then where are we going to go from there, right? But if the 500s don't hold, then we're looking at 494 and then down here at the 489s and 473. So we'll see what happens as we continue throughout the week in here in Ulta, and we'll look for an IV expansion as we get closer to that earnings report in a couple weeks. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.